Well, every fortnight we bring in our chef, Gavin Forman, and every fortnight I'm never too sure whether it's going to be, for me personally, a good week or a bad week. This week is a super good week. So firstly, in advance, thanks for that, Gav. We'll get to the meal in a second. I've got to do a quick bit of a wrap for you, though, with restrictions, sort of all that sort of stuff, hopefully starting to be a little bit behind us now. What is the situation on the ground for our hospitality venues?
All good, all open, all firing. It was a little concerning this week when they decided, I can't remember, somebody recommended that we bring back all the restrictions and masks and no singing, no dancing, and I know certain parts of the political system are pushing for that, and that would devastate us. We're just starting to get back.
Yeah, health people, we don't need that at all.
No, we don't. We really don't.
But it's good to see that anyway, that as it stands right now, things are pretty good in your area, which is great.
Things are firing. Looking forward to Easter. It's not too far away.
Now, you are between two moments of celebration. A few days ago,
yes,
had a birthday.
I
You don't
did.
want to mention the number, do you?
You can mention the number.
50. Welcome.
50. I was 50.
Excellent.
Yes.
And you enjoying that?
Well, it means I can start every sentence now. Now I'm 50.
Yeah. Now that
I'm 50, I don't have to take that anymore.
Did you ever?
No, I never did.
There you go. So that's a couple of days ago, and also St. Patrick's Day coming up, which brings us to a little bit of Irish culture.
Yes, a little bit of Irish culture. Soda bread, very, very simple, easy to make, no yeast, no proving, and 40 minutes in the oven, and it's done.
Now, we like when people start with recipes with, this is very simple.
Okay, well there's...
And I'm going to start eating while you do that.
There's dried ingredients are plain flour, wholemeal flour, rolled oats, salt, sugar, and bicarbonate soda, and your wet ingredient is a little bit of butter and some buttermilk. That's it. You just mix it together, and that's it.
No baddies in there at all.
No, and then mix it together. Oven's 180, 200 degrees, 40 minutes, 40 minutes, done.
And you're laughing.
And you get fresh bread.
Now, I said this before I tasted it, and you got on my case about it.
I did. Don't say it again. Don't call it a scone.
I'm not going to. No, I didn't call it a scone.
Scone or scone?
Oh, it depends. I'm just saying scone today.
Right.
It has very much that vibe to it.
It's the same texture.
Yeah.
It's the same texture.
So what's different from the soda bread and a scone?
Because it's a bread. It's not sweet.
Scones I know that, but...
Oh, we're going to have a row on air now, are we? Is this be the first time? At least this one you haven't spat in the bin like you did last time I was here.
How do you go wrong with bread?
Well, I don't know. I could have put olives and anchovies through it. That would have annoyed you, wouldn't it?
Very much so. Problem for me, I love bread.
Yep.
And to me, this I could just eat as... I could have that as a dessert, as a snack.
Lashings of butter. It's got to be warm and it's got to have butter.
Yeah, that's really good.
You're enjoying that one?
Yeah.
I'm disappointed.
Well, look, sometimes when the weird seafood dishes come out, I cut a little bit off at the corner, so no, I'm not going to enjoy it. And then there's everybody else wants to take it, and they're welcome to it. You know, it doesn't go to waste, trust me. This time, that will be gone before going into a week in 10 minutes' time.
That's not going to make it out of the studio, is it?
Not a chance. Not a chance.
But yeah, as I said, try it at home. It's one of these recipes that's just so simple. Like you just mix the dry, mix in the wet, and bake.
Hey, presto.
It'll take about 10 minutes to put together. Weighing out the ingredients is probably the longest thing. Mix it together as a dough. You don't even need a dough hook. I did it this morning in a bowl and just whacked it in the oven for 40 minutes.
Winning.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, Gav, thank you so much for that. Fingers crossed in terms of the hospitality industry keeps rolling along. We like the sound of that. And towards, of course, St. Patrick's Day.
I can't wait for St. Patrick's Day. Thursday, it's bigger than Christmas for me.
It's never a work day, is it?
No, it's not.
It's definitely not.
And if you know who I am and if you know what I look like, don't approach me after 3 o'clock because you won't get any sense.
Absolutely. And then, of course, rolling into all the Easter and stuff.
Easter's looking good. It's going to be huge.
All right. It's good news for our hospitality sector and good news for my lunch, which is some Irish soda bread. As always, a big thanks to our chef, Gavin Forman. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Right here at 2NURFM 103.7.
A broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.